Hello everyone. In this session we'll be learning how to find the area of a parallelogram. Now a parallelogram is a quadrilateral in which the opposite sides are parallel and they are equal in length. So if you name the quadrilateral as A, B, C, D, AB is parallel to CD and AB is equal to CD. Also AD is parallel to BC and AD is equal to BC. So now let's have a look how a parallelogram can be transformed into a rectangle. Now if you look at this diagram number 1 here, now this parallelogram, when you cut along this dashed line and you move this triangle or you translate this triangle and bring it to the right side, okay, so what you can see here, this triangle, when it comes here, it looks somewhat like this, and when you combine the two shape, it becomes a rectangle. So when you cut out this triangle and place it to the right, it becomes a rectangle. So if you see carefully, the base of the parallelogram is same here as the length of the rectangle, and the height of the parallelogram is same as the width of the rectangle. So the area of rectangle, the formula is length into width. Now the rectangle and parallelogram is same here, the area is same, so the length of the rectangle now becomes the base of the parallelogram and the width of the rectangle is the height of the parallelogram. So the formula for area of parallelogram is base times height. No. So area of parallelogram is base into height. Now if you take this side as the base, the height is the distance between the two opposite parallel sides. So the distance between these two blue lines is the height, which is the perpendicular distance between the two sides. So height can be given inside the diagram, it can be given outside also, it can be given inside like this, it can be given anywhere in between, or it can be given outside the parallelogram also. So all these are height of the parallelogram, that is the distance between the two parallel sides. So let's do some example. Question is find the area of the parallelogram. You can see here the base of the parallelogram is 6, height of the parallelogram is 4. So area of parallelogram formula is base times height. Base is 6 feet and height is 4 feet, and so area will be 6 times 4 is 24 and feet times feet is square feet, and we know whenever the unit is squared, it means it is representing the area. Now let's have a look at example 2. Now here the base of the parallelogram is given to you as 9 and the height is 5. So area is base times height. So base is 9, height is 5. 5 times 9 is 45. Unit is yard, so it will be square yard. So area of the given parallelogram is 45 square yards. Now let's come to the next example. Now in this parallelogram, you can see that the opposite sides are given to you as 7, 7, and these two sides are given to you as 4 and 4. Now to find the area of the parallelogram, the formula is base times height. Now if I take 7 as the base, so I need to know the distance between the two parallel sides. I cannot take this length 4 as this is not the perpendicular distance. So there is no perpendicular sign here, so I cannot take 4. So if you look at the right side, the height is given to you outside the parallelogram. So there is a symbol here which shows that it is the perpendicular distance. So we will take height as 3 and base as 7. So 7 is the base, height is 3. 7 times 3 will be 21 inch. So it will become square inches. So area of the parallelogram is 21 square inches. Let's look at the last example. Now here the base is the vertical side because this side is 9 and these two parallel side is same, and the distance between these two parallel side is 7. So the height is 7 and the base will be 9. So area will be base times height. 9 times 7, so it will be 63 square inches. So this is how you find area of parallelogram. You just need to identify the correct base and height. Now do watch the next video where you will learn how to find the area of trapezium. See you.